Okay, dito na tayo, Hamby and Kids. Harap tayo sa cake natin. Harap tayo sa ating cake. Later, we will have our group picture. But for now, we will sing a happy birthday. Forward tayo ng konti, kids. Okay, once we hear our happy birthday song, let's sing all together. Circle lang tayo dyan, kids.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, happy first birthday! Ola, palakpakan natin si Ola. And behalf of McDonald's Taytay Bayan family, this is our gift to Ola. Happy birthday!
Wow!
And happy baptism! Welcome to the Christian world now. You may now blow your candle.